If you've always wanted to know how to shoot cinematic property real estate tours using nothing but your iPhone, then you're in the right place, because in today's tutorial, we're gonna go over 10 easy handheld camera moves that you can use to do just that. So let's go. First things first, the best practice for all these shots, you'll wanna make sure that whenever possible, keep your arms and camera as close to your body as you can. This will give you extra stability, and anytime you can use your legs to accomplish the camera move will add even more stability to your shots. Shot number one is the front of house establishing shot. If you have something in the foreground that you can use, that can be a good way to shoot a revealing shot. A crane shot is another good option for the establishing shot. Something to keep in mind is that you want it to last long enough to add any opening text like the property address. Slowing your footage down by 50% in the edit will help with this, and it will also increase how stabilized your footage looks. Shot number two is of the grand entrance. This is where we showcase the most spacious living area of the home to give the viewers a sense of what it's like upon entering the home. For this, we're going to frame up the shot and slowly walk forward using what's known as the ninja walk, heel toe and knees slightly bent. Camera move 3 is capturing detail shots. This is the same idea as the establishing reveal, but for this, we'll zoom the camera in. Make sure to get several of these that you can sprinkle throughout the video. Next is a straight push-in. This is a shot that I use very often throughout my walkthrough videos, as this one is very stable. There's no walking in this shot, only leaning forward. You can push into the kitchen as well as push into any bedroom or bathroom. The long shot. This is where we walk a path that leads into another room. This is a good shot for adding a speed ramp in post to really get the viewer's attention. Camera move number 6 is a pan down shot. This is a creative way to break up your shots and reveal a space in a different way. The slider shot. This left to right or right to left movement replicates a slider motion and is great in introducing that parallax effect and giving more depth to your shots. The pan and tilt shot combines multiple camera movements, leaning from side to side and turning or tilting your camera. This is a little more of an advanced shot that will definitely elevate your video. Remember, it's always good to capture as much footage as possible and in different ways so that you have a lot of options for the edit. The boom shot is another amazing shot where we lift up from a low angle to reveal the space. And finally, our pull away shot. This is a bit of a cheat, as you can just walk forward and then reverse it in post. And as the final shot, I do like to close with pulling away from a house so it feels like we're bringing the house video to a close. And this is a good place to add any branding to your video. So we've captured our clips. Let's see what it looks like with some creative editing as well as music and sound design. So with some thoughtful planning and creative editing, we're really able to put together a cinematic looking property tour using nothing but our iPhone. If you're interested in more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and be sure to comment below if you have any ideas for future videos. Oh, and if you'd like to see how to edit that speed ramp, be sure to check out this video here that's on screen now. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.